Good day, guys. Good day. Today I'll be doing 7 November 2022. Yes, yeah, I'm just gonna go straight to Excel. Remember, I told you these ones I'm just gonna pass and start with Excel. I'll get back to them, but for now, our focus let's be on Excel because it weight more marks. Okay, yeah, question 9 spreadsheet. They say retrieve the file files from computer practice and 6 student folder examination. Yes, I'll just do like yesterday. Some of the instruction you can't do them before, so you have to do instruction number 9 before you can do those pivot table. Yeah, so you're just gonna go straight. Let's say insert formula or functions where the letter of the alphabet appear to do the following calculations. Bold all the answers below. Remember, this is a mark when they say bold all the answers below. Okay, and then they say letter A, calculate the commission at 18%, displayed answers as currency with 2 decimal. Okay, then we go and check. Letter A is at G. You see commission are at 80, and then we go back here. The instruction I opened, we go straight here at commission instruction. I say calculate the commission at 18%. Then remember, we are speaking about money here, meaning we need the 18% of total month of sales. You see, that's how it is going to be. We need money, we calculate money. Alright, then we are going to say equal sign this amount times 18%. One may ask, why do you type 18% while they have given us here? It's a good question, but remember that 18% it has letters in it and symbols, you see it. So if you can use that, it won't calculate, it will give you hashtag value or something. So you're just gonna type 18 so that it can give you the amount. Remember, if you are going to use this 18, you are not going to get a straight answer, so you somewhere are gonna type it. So then you press enter. Let me do it for the last time so that you can understand. I said equal sign this amount times 18%. You say enter. Somewhere I'm just gonna drag it. Then they say province character. We go back, we check letter B. Letter B say calculate the province character. Use a formula to display the first 3. You see, the first 3 characters of the province column. Meaning here they need the first 3 character letters, the first 3 letters in simple. Each province we must indicate 3 letters. Then it takes us back to left and right. You need to know, is our province on the left or on the right. Like I said yesterday, if it has something on the right hand side, it will be like this, like Nene. You see, Nene is on the left and M is on the right. So now here we only have a left, which is Gauteng. It doesn't have anything on its right hand side. So we're just gonna say equal sign left. open brackets, you click the province, then you say that comma, then remember you need to follow the instruction. They said 3 letters, then you are going to type 3, then you close the bracket, then you press enter. You see? Let me do it for the last time. Equal sign, type left, open bracket, you click the province, comma, and 3, close bracket, enter, then you drag it. You see? That's the first 3 letters. Don't confuse it yesterday. Yesterday they said they need a character, which means it was a letter, 1 letter. So now they need 3 letters, 3 characters. So yeah, then we move to most common age. We are going to calculate this, but before we calculate, we need to check the instruction. What does the instruction say? Calculate the most common age. Use a formula to display the age that appear in most age column. Then we check here. The most age is 22. So, but you don't just type it. You need to do it. You're going to say equal sign. Then you say mode. Mode. Then you say open bracket. Then you click and highlight all this column, because we need to check if it's only 22, which is common now. Then we close the bracket, then we enter. Then that's our common age. You see? Okay, let me cancel it and do it again so that you can understand it. Equal sign, mode, then you highlight all these and you close bracket. Like I said, your answer is 22. Then yeah, we go straight to, we are done with these ones. Then we need to do the pivot table. We go to pivot table. They say insert the pivot table from cell B13 to E21. B13, where is that? B13 to E21. You highlight it first where you need it. Then you check the instructions once again. Okay, they say access or row, salesperson, values, total, month sale, age, and service. Then you go to insert, go to pivot table. Then you make sure you highlight this column. You see, highlight this column. Then you press enter. It will pop up on your left hand side and right hand side. Then you need to remember the instruction set. Salesperson, you click salesperson, and then and again it says total month sale. You go and check total month and sale. You take it. You go back and you check. Is that age? Where is that? You take age, then year of service, then you take year of service. Okay, now that's how we do it. That's how we do it. Then you are done. You are done. You're just gonna drag this here. Then we check. Oh, I remember. This one we need to redo it. We delete this one. Then we go number 5, instruction number 5. It says insert the sparkling line for total sales in F10 you check where this after. Before you can calculate, try to adjust this column so that everything can be visible. So they said F F10. So you check, this is F10. Then they said a sparkling line for total sales. So then let me just go. Then you are going to click insert line. Then you highlight it all on that range. Then you press enter. That's how it is. Because if you can adjust the column, let me show you how it will be like this, so that just adjust it a bit so that it can be visible. So then we go to instruction number 6, insert a column bar sparkling for age C10. C10, you make C and then you click here, you say a column, you highlight all the age, then you press enter. You go back here to the question paper. It said win-loss sparkling for year service D10. You make sure this is D10, insert win-lose, you highlight them, then you press enter, and you are done. They say increase the row height, row of 10 to 40 points or 67 pixels to display the sparkling lines. I've already explained it, but let me just show you how to do it, how to know. Each and every time when you drag, you can see there is a height and pixel on the right hand side. Then let's just verify. They say 65 and 40. So you go there, you put your cursor there, you start to drag it, you wait for 40. Okay, this is 40. Let's just do 67 pixels. Hey, sharp. You see? Right. And then we go. We are done with this one. We are done this one. Then they say use the generated pivot table and insert the column graph for sales person for age, year of service, and total. Insert the graph in cell F13 to J25. So you're just gonna drag it down. Yes, this is F13 J25. Right. Then we are going to insert the type. Sorry. Yeah, I'm drunk. J25. This is 26. And you are going to insert pivot table chart. Then we highlight this table. Remember, they said use the generated one. We no longer use that one. Right. Then you see okay. Alright. Then remember the instruction said sales person for age, service month. Then just gonna tick this one, this one, and this one. You see? Then you are done. So you just drag this here. Then you highlight all this and delete. What did I do wrong? Did I choose the wrong table? Oh yes. Oh yeah, just okay. And then yeah, table that we need to delete is this one. Remember, I didn't buy this because this one. You just highlight this and delete it and click here with drag it from here to here. You see? Then that's how we do it. Then that's the end of the question paper. If there's any question, you'll just text me. Okay, thank you.